Hello students, welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. So today we are going to discuss about electrochemistry, the conductivity and Kohlrausch Law. It's the most important point in the total subtopics of electrochemistry. Definitely you can get a question from electrochemistry from the NEET examination, undoubtedly. So 4 marks is going to be a paper for you here, and directly one question from electrochemistry, and indirectly the E0 values related things in organic chemistry is also given in the NEET examination paper. My dear students, definitely take a pen and paper and write all noteworthy points that I am giving you in the session. And it is very important today in the subtopics of the electrochemistry. You see galvanic cell, Nernst equation, single electrode potential, and electrochemical series is one part. Another part is going to be Kohlrausch Law, conductivity, molar conductivity, electrolytic conductivity, and equivalent conductivity. Everything is going to be another part, and you're going to see one question based on that. And also electrolysis is another part where Faraday's laws and related numericals will be given. And also you will be having a batteries and corrosion in the other part. So total 4 parts are there, and we are going to discuss about the conductivity part in today's class. So without delay, you just everybody take a thumbs up and fire emojis before we start the class. Hi students, the regular students who are attending my class, just say hi once. And this is the NEET Nirman program where we are going to discuss all the topics related to the NEET examination. Myself is chemistry faculty and Suresh, and please like this session, share with your friends, and subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. So this gives you a lot of impact on the electrochemistry. Before going for this electrochemistry, a few promotional slides are there from us. So what is this promotional slide? So Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya is going to providing you Atreya. We launched the program Atreya. This Atreya program is the best program for your NEET repeaters, and this program is scientifically designed and will make your status from I didn't do to I will do it. Crack your NEET examination. We are introducing Atreya program. It is a powerful program for NEET. Why it is powerful program? You know, when it comes to the NEET 2025, physics is the difficult topic for you. Not only for you, it is for all the students preparing for NEET examination. So what I wanted to say here, we will take the physics honors, and difficulty level is going to be neutralized. Will make you to do physics as easy as you do in chemistry and biology. Yes, believe me, because we launch here P square CB. What is this P square CB, bachcho? It is simple physics twice a day along with your chemistry and biology. Yes, of course, we do that. So we have the plan. I just want to show you the features of this program, and you have the details program structure. It has been launched long ago, May 23rd. Don't worry. If you enroll, in the description box, the link is available. If you enroll, you are going to be allocated every week. A new program is being launched, so you can do in a new batch. So you can see मंडे टू सैटरडे क्लासेस है, संडे को छुट्टी है. ये छुट्टी में आप असेसमेंट भी कर सकते हैं, PYQ देख सकते हैं, टेस्ट भी ले सकते हैं. एंड ड्यूरेशन ऑफ ईच सेशन इज 90 minutes, and there will be 18 classes per week. Every day is going to be 3 classes. See, the program is designed in such a way that pressure will not be created, rather result will be generated. How it is? See, 3 classes in a day, उसमें 2 concept classes होगा and 1 practice session होगा, and सारा के सारा 18 classes per week, and you won't have any hassle in attending the classes. So limited number of classes and extensive discussion will be there, and last but not least, physics you will be having a double session. Yes, definitely you can do the best with this program, my dear students. Here, what are the other features here? Total Atreya program, you have 465 classes, bachcho. In that 240 DPPs are there, and this daily practice program, DPPs, you have the questions just almost related to the NEET examination model questions, bachcho. And you see the ratio of the concept classes and the practice classes, you will be having 120 hours and more dedicated practice sessions. You will not be sit as a one student in the entire hundreds of students. Okay, in the practice session you can see 120-25 students maximum दे सकता, and उसमें एक ही बच्चा and एक faculty के साथ आप बैठना, and you will be having a customized doubt resolutions along with the faculty. Yes, it is going to be a super awesome program, and total coverage of 11th and 12th will be there NEET का हिसाब से. And after class you need not have to sit and write a new notes, rather you can just get a class notes in the PDF form at the end of the session. And this is a very important program, and don't miss it, and just click the link is available in the chat box. You can do the best. All the best, my dear students. और एक चीज है, and I'm excited to provide you score. What is the score? Sri Chaitanya Infinity Land, we are in search of bright minds in India. Yes, so it is India's largest scholarship exam, and you can see India's brightest journeys begins with its score. This score can be opted by any student who are from grade 3 to grade 11. Any student. Like you may be a student of Sri Chaitanya, you may be a student of outside Sri Chaitanya, maybe a government or private institution, still you are eligible to write this examination. Yes, it is a super awesome scholarship examination. Why it is said to be India's largest scholarship exam? And it has 2.5 crore cash rewards directly straight away. अरे 2.5 करोड़ कैसे दे सकते हैं? And Sri Chaitanya is one of the unicorn in the educational industry. Lakhs of students are there with us, and thousands. So once you attend this examination, you will be attending the all over India kind of examination. So बचपन से आदत सीखना पड़ता है बच्चों. And also 350 crore worth of scholarships are there, and depending upon the courses you opt for this, उसमें discount भी मिलेगा. And also I'm excited to say, have you ever dreamed to go to NASA, United States of America? Yes, NASA trips also we are planning, and exciting gadgets like tablet or laptop will be given, and up to 100% of scholarship will be there. And while register now, and description box and the pinned messages and the chat box, the link is there. Just once you click it, and you're going to get the details. You will be having an examination based on the segments, and if you are a 3 to 5 or 6 to 8, 8 to 10, and 11th and 12th, and the different segments will be there. My dear students, in these segments, if you write the examination, you see September 28th is one examination, and October 12th is another examination. These are the examination dates. You can write this examination at your home, or online or offline. You can go to the nearest Sri Chaitanya Academy, there you can write the offline examination. Option will be yours depending upon the centers, the availability, and you can enroll till 26th of September for 28th examination, and 10th of October for 12th examination. And the test can be offline or online. You can write the examination and you can enjoy this core examination. All the best to get this, any one of these, and many one of these rewards. Ready for that? And my promotion is over. एक ही slide बचाओ बच्चों, एक ही slide, that is about the NEET test series. Students, whenever you are preparing for any examination, it is required to go for a proper assessment. You ask any one of your seniors who are topped in the NEET or any kind of examination. So NEET topper, they always say they prepare well, and they written this mock test and practice test. So for that, Infinity Learn is giving outstanding NEET test series preparation. So it is ultimate key to your NEET success. So it is segmented into grade 11 को एक पैकेज दिया, grade 12 को और एक पैकेज दिया, repeaters को भी एक पैकेज दिया, and you can go for the whatever the segment you related. And of course, you can enroll now. Description box, the link is available, and you can go ahead with this YouTube 30 of coupon code enter करने तो आपको मिलेगा 30% automatic discount. Okay, so my promotion is over. Everybody, once you give a thumbs up and fire emoji so that we can start the class electrochemistry. So electrochemistry in this electrochemical conductivity, electrical conductivity, and conductance, molar conductance, specific conductance, equivalent conductance, and the related everything we are going to discuss with that. Dear students, take a pen and paper now and write all the formulas and noteworthy points. Ready, beta? Fine, clear, right. Let us talk about today's class of interest is going to be electrical conductivity and electrolytic conductance, and also some numericals we are planning. So I am giving you some tricks and tips in calculating numericals also, dear students. And I want you guys who are online, please like the button. When you click the like button, the number I am going to visualize it so that session ka josh bhi badh jata bachcho. And let's see electrical conductivity. So what is a conductor? A substance which allows the passage of electricity through it is called electrical conductivity. And the electrical conductors may be a solid or maybe a fused metals and molten salts. Anything, the substance which can conduct electricity. You know, aqueous solutions of an acids and bases and salts are also electrical conductors. So you have two types of conductors, electronic conductor and another one is electrolytic conductor. So electronic conductor, you see metals, graphite and salts like cadmium sulfide. This is a very important. Cadmium sulfide is a salt. It is going to conduct electricity because of the defect in the solid structure, mind it. And as you know, graphite is also a very good conductor, hai na beta? And the statement I underlined, you keep it as a solid. In the solid state, it conducts electricity. Cadmium sulfide is very important, and copper sulfide is also a good conductor. Example of electronic conductors, okay, and electrolytic conductors. What are electrolytic conductors, bacho? I want to hear from you. This is a live interactive session. This is a live interactive session where we are going to interact. It is not a radio telecast session. If you want to have this kind of sessions, you can go to a coaching industry and pay a lot of money, and it is going to be an expenditure. But here we are giving you just simply a free class. You can attend the class. We are not expecting anything from you and get advantage of this. Just हम बच्चों के लिए कुछ भला करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. आपका तरफ से भी थोड़ा भला करने की कोशिश करो बेटा. थोड़ा सा लाइक मारो, शेयर and subscribe. बस इतना ही चाहिए मेरे को. And you can see here electrolytic conductor, fused salts or aqueous salts are going to conduct electricity. Bacho, here electronic conductor or metallic conductor, they conduct electricity by migration of electrons. Okay, while the conductivity of these electrolytic conductors, they are going to give you ions. So these ions are responsible for the conductivity. So this is what is called as electrolytic conductors. And here mass transfer will be there, mass transfer won't be there, and chemical change will be there. There is no chemical change. Are you getting it or not? Are you getting it or not? And you can see these are the two types, like cadmium sulfide, you see, copper sulfide, metals, and you can see here it is a salts and their aqueous solutions and acids and bases also can behave like this. You see, these are the animations. We made it for you to give the best in understanding. Dear students, take these YouTube classes, an awesome class. I can give you the best out of it, right? Bacho, so electrical conductivity, I already given you the difference between the electric conductivity and electrolytic conductivity, the metallic conductor and electrolytic conductor. Of course, this electronic conductor follows physics, and we apply this Ohm's law, while this electrolytic conductor is a chemistry part. We are going to discuss this electrolytic conductor in this today's class, and we are going to discuss about this. It follows Kohlrausch law. Do not obey, it is Ohm's law, right? Now let us talk here. These electrolytic conductors, the flow of current is due to the movement, migration of the ions in the solution under the influence of the electricity, external electricity applied. And you can see the mobility of ions under applied voltage is called electrical migration, mobility of conductivity of the ions. The terminologies I just highlighted here, very important. And always you see in the chemistry, you will be talking about only the technical terms, and based on these technical terms only a question will be formulated or a derivation will be formulated. So never ignore the technical terminologies, bacho. Electronic conduction is also called as metallic conduction, bacho. And also you see it depends upon the nature, structure, density, temperature, valency of the metal. है ना बेटा? Any doubt? बच्चों clear? So before going for the details of this, yeah, you see when this electrolytic conductors, you see in this ions are going to migrate. Because of this dynamic migration of the ions, you are going to see the conduction. Are you getting or not? Clear? Any doubt? Fine. Now let's see here, electrolytic dissociation. So we have to talk about electrolytic dissociation. Who has given this electrolytic dissociation theory? Arrhenius is given, and its dissociation is related to the concentration and dilution. It is given by Oswald. So we are connected to equilibrium to electrochemistry. And you can see electrolyte is defined as a substance which is dissolved in the water and can ionize, so that it is going to conduct electricity, is called electrolyte. And there are substances which do not conduct electricity, but they can dissolve in the water. Can you give an example in the chat box related to that? Non-electrolyte ka famous non-electrolyte. Those who are online, I want you to get the answer from you. Bacho, please tell us so that we can make you to develop like anything. Bacho, come on. It is all can, sugar, urea, glucose are the example of non-electrolyte. ये जो examples है ना, solutions and colligative properties करने का भी important है. ठीक है बेटा? And you can say the important points of theory of electrolytes are, so in aqueous solution, it breaks into oppositely charged and it is going to give you NaCl. It is a strong electrolyte, gives rise Na plus and Cl minus. Is a strong electrolyte. Weak electrolyte क्या होगा? Any weak acid or weak base is going to be weak electrolyte, is going to be ionized feebly like this. बहुत कम से कम electrolyte ऐसा होना चाहिए. Understand बच्चों? And also you can say these electrolytes, the process of splitting of a compound is called ionization. So degree of ionization is going to be number of moles of electrolyte ionized upon number of moles of electrolyte is taken. And you can see for strong electrolyte इसका alpha value nearly equal to 1 होगा. For a weak electrolyte alpha value कम से कम less than 1 होगा. Right बच्चों? And you can see the degree of dissociation depends on nature of electrolyte. It could be a strong electrolyte, it could be a weak electrolyte. Achha? And concentration of the electrolyte. Okay, degree of ionization, degree of dissociation is inversely proportional to root concentration, Oswald dilution law. So these are the things we are going to apply. Temperature, अगर temperature बढ़ते जाते, degree of dissociation भी बढ़ जाता. Degree of dissociation, you can say it is alpha. Okay, DOD is also increased. So when I am discussing this, I am not deriving anything mathematically and making you to confuse. I am deriving this in such a way that you will understand the concept. Okay, so when you understand this, you're going to see So dissociation constant, it could be an acid dissociation constant C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. C is the concentration, alpha is the degree of ionization, Ka is called acid dissociation constant. You can also write it for Kb. Kb is also C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. You know, for a weak electrolyte, you can directly take Ka is nearly equal to C alpha square. C Ka alpha is equal to Ka by root C. Right? Okay, talking about that is a content I just want to recapture from this ionic equilibrium. I just want degree of dissociation of an electrolyte increases, the decrease in concentration. What is the meaning of decrease in concentration, bachcho? Decrease in concentration means dilution is increased. As dilution increases, and it is going to increase the degree of ionization. And also degree of ionization increases with temperature as well. And talking about conductivity is very important. We are coming to that only. Yes, conductivity of the solution depends on the nature of electrolyte, concentration and temperature. We discussed these. And also electrolytic solutions obey Ohm's law. Yeah, and manner like electronic conductors, and a conductivity cell is shown in the figure here. This is your conductivity cell. In this conductivity cell, you can say this is a plate and this is another plate kept in an electrolyte, and the dimension is going to be 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter, and they are separated by 1 centimeter apart. So that what is the volume of the electrolyte present in that cubic centimeter is specific conductivity. That is explained on the basis of conductance is directly proportional to length. Here it is given as directly proportional to length, resistance is directly proportional to length, and inversely proportional to area of cross section. So that we can say resistance can be calculated by using Wheatstone bridge in the physics, and you can take 1 by R as a conductance. So resistance is directly proportional to L by A, or you can say resistance is equal to rho L by A. Here resistance R, L is the length and A is the area of cross section, and rho is called specific resistance. So conductance is equal to 1 by R. Okay, specific conductance is equal to 1 by rho. Got it? When you take the length is 1 centimeter, A is 1 centimeter square, it is going to be the specific resistance. So this is called the resistivity. So you can get this advantage in the even physics. We are applying physics concept in order to go ahead. Now bachcho, so L by A is called as a cell constant, is given as a G star. Okay, so I want to say here unit of the cell constant is centimeter upon centimeter square is equal to centimeter inverse. It is going to be meter inverse or centimeter inverse. And hi, hello, Christer again, gamer. Again, always gamers are coming in the class. Okay, talking about now cell constant is the resistance of solution in the cell determined by the conductivity of solution given by the equation. K is equal to cell constant by R. So I want to say K is a specific conductance and G star is a cell constant, R is a resistance. So we can say K is called kappa, is called a specific conductance. And here I just want to say one important thing here. We know, I just want to rewrite the everything so that you will clearly understand. So G is a conductance is equal to 1 by R. है ना? Right. And you can say K is equal to 1 by rho. So how to get the K? How to get the rho? So resistance is directly proportional to L. Resistance inversely proportional to A. So that resistance is directly proportional to L by A. L is the length of the conductor. A is the cross section. So R is equal to rho L by A. Okay, L by A is equal to G star. So I would like to say conductance is equal to G star into 1 by R. So that is the formula, right? Now we can say here specific conductance. This is your specific conductance beta. This is your specific conductance. From there you can say specific conductance, generously you can say it is the conductivity offered by all the ions present in 1 centimeter cube electrolyte. That is given as C is equal to 1 by R into 1 by rho, and it is L by A, so that it is going to be C is equal to K L by A, K is equal to C into 1 L by A. That's what I just want to say. So this is called specific conductance. So when the conductance is offered by two electrolytic plates, so electrodes which are centimeter square are separated by 1 centimeter apart is called as a specific conductance. Okay, so the conductance of an electrolytic solution can be expressed as, you can see this is a specific conductance is one method beta, molar conductance is another method beta, and equivalent conductance. There are 3 methods of showing conductance. समझ में रहे क्या बच्चों? Betu is there in the class, in today's class. Abhinav is there. Okay, all the students who are online, I want you to be, just say hi once. Christine, hi. Okay, those who are online, please like the button. Now let us talk about here specific conductance, or is also called as a conductivity. And it is the conductivity offered by versatile post. Hi. Okay. It is the conductivity offered by 1 centimeter cube electrolyte. Bas, that's it. Right. So conductance of an electrolytic solution with reference to the concentration of 2 types. So if that specific conductivity is taken in the molarity, that is called molar conductance. Okay, you know, hi meridians, hi, namaste, hello, arey like button maro. And so you have specific conductance, molar conductance, equivalent conductance. When you see these 3 terminologies in the different way, what you will be having kind of ambiguities, confusions will come. Hi, Priyanshu Singh, pharma की कोचिंग चाहिए, फार्मा की कोचिंग चाहिए तो मैं एक फार्मा इंडस्ट्री, फार्मा सेगमेंट में एक साइंटिस्ट हूँ. Right now I am teaching chemistry with Infinity-level NEET YouTube channel. Okay, you want to know about the pharma, B Pharm का कोचिंग, क्यों B Pharm का कोचिंग? Okay, छोड़ दो, and better you just go for the MBBS, go to Dream Medical College, Priyanshu Singh. Okay, let's talk everybody online, please like the button so that we can go with this equivalent conductance and molar conductance, equivalent conductance and molar conductance. Mashuddin Khan, meridians, just like the button once, everybody like the button once. Priyanshi, come on, let us discuss about, फिलहाल हम देखें specific conductance, अभी देखने वाला है molar conductance and equivalent conductance. That's it, the same. You can see it is an electrolyte, okay, and here it is a plate, electrolytic plate, okay, and electrode plate है. This is your plate, okay, and this is your another plate, and this is connected to the circuit, this is connected to the circuit, and it is going to be 1 centimeter, and it is going to be 1 centimeter. Here is also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, दोनों का जो distance है ना, ये भी 1 centimeter है. मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, जो electrolyte है ना, and these ions is going to be 1 centimeter cube होगा. this is going to be 1 centimeter cube. The conductance offered all the ions present in this 1 centimeter cube is technically called as specific conductance. Yeah, मैं NEET वाला हूँ, congratulations, then you are in a great channel. Okay, hi Guru Charan, hello, and I want to see the number of likes. Okay, तो क्या करने आया है सर फिर? Okay, so सीखने का आया, मैं पढ़ाना क्या आया? Okay, come on, Jile, and these are the concepts are common for the JEE as well as NEET. Okay, this is your NEET channel. Everybody, G के लिए enough? हाँ, बराबर हो सकते हैं, because the concept will be the same. The question पूछने का जो तरीका है ना, meridians, the way in the G examination questions are going to be different, but the concept will be same. Fine. Namaste Guruji. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. And Guru Sharan, come on, let us discuss about the concept over here, and let us talk about here the molar conductance. If you take the electrolytic solution molarity में लेना चाहता हूँ तो molar conductivity होगा, and it is the conductivity offered by all the ions present in 1 mole per liter is called as the molar conductance. So relationship between this is your molar conductance beta, and I just want to say the relation between the molar conductance and the specific conductance. I don't want to just give the total derivation about this. Simply you can say the molar conductance is equal to specific conductance into 1000 by molarity. बस इतना है, इतना आसानी काम है. And you're going to see it is going to be mole per liter में लेना है, and it is going to be as dilution increases, specific conductivity decreases. Okay, but as dilution increases, molar conductivity increases. Why? Reason. NEET examination में MCQ assertion and reason questions भी पूछना है बच्चों. Here you can see as dilution increases, number of ions that are present in 1 centimeter cube decreases. That is the logic. While as dilution increases, degree of ionization increases. So based on this you can say the molar conductivity is going to be increased with dilution and decreases to specific conductance decreases with dilution. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा बच्चों? Understand? And you are going to see the units. Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Goal achievers. Yeah. And dimension is also very important beta. Dimension is also very important. So Siemens centimeter. Siemens is equal to ohm inverse. Siemens is equal to ohm inverse. है ना? G. Correct. Maheshuddin Khan. And let us go ahead with the equivalent conductance. I just want to know what is this and what is this. I want to know. You have to understand the terminologies. Versatile post. If you want to copy, just copy noteworthy points better. That is going to be awesome, and it is super important. Everybody take a pen and paper, and if a question is given, solve along with me. If a formula is given, directly you can write it. So to understand the topic and to understand why you are sitting in the YouTube channel, right now you are watching a live session. So your time and your effort is also highly valued. Here, Infinity Learn, from our side, we want to give you the best of it. So take a pen and paper. Let us do the things constructively. Okay. So please like the session who are online. Okay. Goal achievers, please. I want to see the like button. Sir, like short note. Yes. PDF मिल जाएगा. गुरुचरण. Yes. PDF मिल जाएगा. Telegram channel description box में दिया. And you just click it and join in the Telegram channel. You can just go through this entire session notes PDF form में convert करके Telegram channel में भेजना चाहता हूँ. ठीक है बेटा? Very good. Right, now let's talk about in terms of units of the formula becomes like, you see, molar conductance is equal to specific conductance by molarity. When you take molarity mole per meter cube and Siemen per meter, and it is going to be Siemen meter square mole inverse. So in the NCERT textbook, the conversion का हिसाब से क्वेश्चन भी दिया, and if you are very good at the concept, somewhere you are going to trapped in the conversion in the formulas. That's why I have given this, right? And however, if the molarity is expressed in mole per liter, and this formula becomes Siemen centimeters square mole inverse molar conductivity is equal to specific conductivity Siemen meter inverse upon 1000 into liter per meter cube and molarity mole in liter. So you just simply divide the denominator by 10 cube. That's it. Simply, so you can just convert into centimeter to meter. That's a simple trick I just want to give you as far as this molar conductance is concerned. Everybody understand what is molar conductance. But when the question is given in such a way that if the unit is changed, you will just lose the control of the problem. So take the total control of the problem by understanding the concepts, by understanding the units as well as dimensions. Talking about equivalent conductivity. अरे जब मोलर कंडक्टिविटी मोलारिटी का हिसाब से बोलेंगे तो इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टिविटी नॉर्मलिटी के हिसाब से देना है बस. And it is going to be the conductivity offered by all the ions present in one normal solution. जब आप concentration normality में देना, normality means number of gram equivalents per liter. So that is the definition, and it is going to be equivalent conductivity is equal to specific conductivity V, and here you have to take these into normality. So equivalent conductivity is equal to specific conductivity into 1000 by normality. And Guru Sharan, hope you understand here, and the same units base. And you can see what is the terminology here. I just want to give you. Yes, what is this? I forgot. Okay, you only have to tell me. You only have to tell me, bachcho. Jaldi. So this is the molar conductance. At a given concentration. गिवन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन का मतलब क्या, आपको मोलारिटी दिया जाएगा, ठीक है, एंड हियर द मोलर कंडक्टेंस एट इन्फिनिट डाइल्यूशन. ये क्या, डाइल्यूशन इन्फिनिटी कैसे हो सकता है. हाँ, let us assume Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arabian Ocean, all oceans are salt water. Let us assume this is a pure distilled water. All water available on the globe is assumed to be distilled water. You add that water into the solution so that you are going to have infinite dilution. जब concentration 0 होगा, just molarity इसका 0 होगा, तभी इसका infinite molar conductance at infinite dilution is also called as limiting molar conductance. Otherwise it is called as limiting molar conductance. This is otherwise called limiting molar conductance. बच्चों, the difference between these two आपको पता होना चाहिए. गुरुशरण, या माही, ओके, स्पीक हिंदी. हम हिंदी भी बोल सकते हैं ना, इंग्लिश में ये लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टेंस. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या. सो जब मोलारिटी 0 होता है, इनफाइनाइट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर उसमें ऐड किया ताकि इसका conductance infinite dilution में molar conductance is also called as a limiting molar conductance. ठीक है बेटा, and let us discuss right. So I just want to say the relation between the conductance. So variation of conductance with concentration, it's super important. VIP Radha Krishna, thank you, thank you. And जब आप डाइल्यूशन करते हैं ना, इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम आ रहे हैं, डिसोसिएशन भी ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं, सो दैट कंडक्टिविटी बढ़ते जाता. So how it is going to change? Okay, right, you can see this is called de-Broglie rule. de-Broglie rule. de-Broglie rule. NCERT में de-Broglie rule name is given. Just name दिया गया, इसका फॉर्मूला नहीं दिया, but you need to know that is equal to molar conductance is equal to molar conductance zero concentration minus concentration root c. आपको कैसे लगा? ये जो इक्वेशन है ना, हमको लग रहे है ना इक्वेशन ऑफ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, एंड यू कैन सी y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, you are going to get mx minus c. Okay, let it be. So it is going to be minus, it will be a straight line. On the x-axis you can take root c, y-axis you can take molar conductance. Okay, Raki nahi banda. Okay, I don't have sibling sisters with me. Okay, no problem. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Happy Raksha Bandhan सबको ना. आज रक्षा बंधन है ना, मेरा greeting. So मुबारक हो. So my blessings and my greetings for Raksha Bandhan today. God bless you all, my dear children. Right? Guru Charan, thank you for recalling today is an auspicious day, and I bless you all. God bless you. Let us move ahead. Y is equal to mx plus c. You can see a graph. Y axis में आपका क्या लिया? मोलर कंडक्टेंस लिया. ओके, एंड रूट सी एक्स एक्सिस में लिया. सो especially for the NEET students who are present in the NEET, here you have to apply the graphs. Graphs in the chemistry is very important. Dear children, chemical kinetics graphs will come, electrochemistry graphs will come, and equilibrium is also chota mota graphs bhi hai, thermodynamism graphs are there. Okay, goal achievers, thank you. And in this graph you can see it is following the equation of a straight line with a negative slope. This is going to be a slope. Okay, and the intercept here it is given as a limiting molar conductance. The intercept is giving the limiting molar conductance. का मतलब क्या? Molar conductance at a given concentration, zero concentration, and this is for a strong electrolyte. So as dilution increases, is going to increase. So it is going to be a straight line de-Broglie Onsager equation का हिसाब से. So for a strong univalent electrolyte, the decrease in equivalent conductance with increase in the concentration is not very large. You can see it is going like this. Okay, I am from Hyderabad, Mahi. मैं हैदराबाद यूट्यूब स्टूडियो में है. ओके, इन्फिनिटी लैंड कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस में है. ठीक है. सो जब आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम आ रहा है ना, जब डाइल्यूशन बढ़ते जाते हैं कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम ही आ रहा है ना, जब कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम ही आ रहे हैं तो इसका मोलर कंडक्टेंस स्लोली इंक्रीजेस. ठीक है बेटा गुरुचरण. राइट नाउ दिस इज फॉर ए स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का बिहेवियर है. इट इज अबाउट द स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. What is the scenario if it is a weak electrolyte, bachcha? Okay, so let us talk about this. We are going to see a weak electrolyte. It is a weak electrolyte. It is not following de-Broglie rule. There, as dilution increases, suddenly there is an increase in the conductivity. It is going somewhere. It is going somewhere. It is difficult for us to measure the limiting molar conductance. Okay, so let me just say this is molar conductance and root C. So KCl को ऐसे आना है and CH3 COOH को ऐसे आना है. So not only CH3 COOH, any weak electrolyte is going to behave like this, sudden increase. Yeah, COOH is a strong acid, nahi beta, it is any organic acid is a weak acid. ख्याल में रखो, हर organic reaction weak acid होगा. Now to avoid this, so we have to talk about the Kohlrausch law, and also we have to talk about some electrolysis and Faraday's laws and numerical. So now we are talking about the Kohlrausch law. Okay, inverse relation. Yes, Muhammad Affan, come on, please like the session. Mahi, like the session, come on. What is Kohlrausch law? So it is pretty simple. When the electrolysis is dissociated, infinite dilution में क्या होगा? CH3 COOH, okay, as dilution increases, सारे का सारा हर molecule is dissociate करना है. Dissociate करने के बाद हर ion independently migrate करता है. So that contributes to the total molar conductivity. So total molar conductivity of the CH3COOH is equal to total का मतलब क्या? Sum. Okay, ionic mobility of CH3COO minus, and it is going to be H plus. Okay, this is what is called as a Kohlrausch law of independent ionic migration. Versatile post, you want to say organic acid is a weak acid. Every acid that has a carbon is weak. In general, I will tell you, every acid is a weak acid except HNO3, H2SO4, HCl, okay, and HClO4 are considered to be strong acids. And apart from this, majority of the acids we study is on a weak acid. Okay. Victor Moses, Gosha lights. Okay. We are from Sri Chaitanya Academy, Infinity Land, corporate office. Thank you. Estate plus H plus I and Muhammad Affan. Guru Sharan. Yes. Okay. Well, okay, come on. And now it is given as the limiting molar conductivity of any electrolyte at infinite dilution is the sum of the limiting ionic conductivities of the electrolyte. मान के चलो आपका electrolyte AB होगा, it is going to give rise A plus and B minus. Okay, A वाला valency XY होगा, तो X होगा, ये Y होगा. So molar conductance at infinite dilution of AB is going to be ionic mobilities of A plus and ionic mobility of B minus. लेकिन इसका नंबर है ना, ये X मोल से मल्टीप्लाई करना, ये Y मोल से मल्टीप्लाई करना, बस. माही फाइन. Now this is given as, मान के चलो AX BY gives rise X molar conductance of A, Y molar conductance of B. Yes, Kohlrausch law is valid for strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte. दोनों को भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं मोहम्मद अफान, दोनों के लिए भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. मैं ओके 25 years से मैं एक्सपीरियंस है. ओके, वी आर टीचिंग ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन, जब नीट नहीं थे. Okay, various medical entrance examination. ठीक है बेटा. So for example, you can say NaCl is equal to Na plus and Cl minus. And if you want to say barium chloride, barium 2 plus and 2 into Cl minus होगा, है ना बेटा. And you just say Al2SO4 thrice, ionise करो पहले, 2 into molar conductance of Al3 plus 3 into molar conductance of sulfate. Right beta. And also in terms of equivalent conductivities, Kohlrausch law is defined as the same. So n factor उस खुद multiply करना है. So this limiting molar conductivities and how it is useful for the other part of the chemistry. And also I just want to say relation between the molar conductivity and the equivalent conductivity. Equivalent conductivity, since normality is equal to n factor into molarity. What is n factor? Valency factor. So that molar conductivity here, equivalent conductivity is equal to 1 by n factor into molar conductivity. So I mean to say molar conductivity is equal to equivalent conductivity into n factor. This is one formula, definitely you can get it. Guru Sharan. And you can say these various examples. I just want to say equivalent conductivity and molar conductivity का हिसाब से, ठीक है. And factor is 6. Clear बेटा? प्रियलता, next topper, जिंदाबाद, next topper. Okay, topper आप भी बना सकते हैं ना प्रियलता? You can also be a topper, है कि ना? Mahi, you can also be topper. Gurucharan can also be topper. What makes the topper? You be the perfect in you what you do, and you believe in what you do, and that makes you to be a topper, है ना? That makes you to be a topper, right? That's good. So let's see here. Here is the question, simple question before going for this. How many of you can answer this? I want you to answer this question. First you read this. The molar conductivity of infinite dilution of barium hydroxide, barium chloride, ammonium chloride solutions are given. पढ़ाई में मस्ती चलता है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन करने का वक्त में आप कैसे कर सकता? ओके, बांचित भी चलना है एंड काम भी करना है. माही, come on. And you asked to find the equivalent conductance and the molar conductivity of the ammonium hydroxide. You can do the conductivity, limiting molar conductivity of the weak electrolyte by taking the concept of the strong electrolyte. बच्चों, आप कर सकते हैं? I am giving you 2 minutes. Meanwhile, you can ask general doubts. Meanwhile, you can ask any subject related doubts, and you can solve parallelly along with me. ओके सर, क्लास कितने देर चलेगा? अरे एक क्वेश्चन करने के बाद हम खत्म कर सकते हैं. बट आई वांट माय स्टूडेंट टू डू, आई विल मेक यू टू डू एंड आई विल डू एट द एंड. मोहम्मद अफान 238.4, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. ओके माही, आप कर सकते हैं? फाइन, राइट. Okay. Okay, let us move ahead with उसमें क्या दिया? It is given as barium hydroxide का, it is given its value 457, right? And it is written as barium 2 plus 2 OH minus, ठीक है? And barium chloride का, it is given barium 2 plus and 2 Cl minus, this is equation 2. And ammonium chloride का, it is given ammonium plus and Cl minus. So what I wanted to say here, Guru Sharan, you are asked to calculate ammonium hydroxide. In this ammonium hydroxide, I want this and I want this. So that let us remove barium chloride. So I want to subtract equation 1 and 3, you can add it, and I can subtract equation 2 so that I can remove barium chloride. So ammonium hydroxide बचेगा, है ना गुरुचरण? कोशिश कर रहे हो? ओके, कोशिश करो जल्दी. मैं आपका हिंट दिया ना, ये क्वेश्चन करने का तरीका बोला ना. So see, whenever this model is very important. It is given in the NCERT as well, right? And this model is given in the acetic acid, sodium acetate, and NaCl values are given. I want to change the example. So the same model, different method. Okay, Guru Sharan, let us talk. Yes, of course. So when the given reactions are written, हमको क्या चाहिए ये पकड़ना. अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का पूछा गया. So to want ammonium hydroxide, we have अमोनियम प्लस एंड OH माइनस. ये निकालने के लिए सब ऐड करने दो. ये बचाने के लिए बाहर जो बेरियम क्लोराइड है ना, ये हटा दो. So that I just want to remove barium chloride. So let us see here. Equation 1 is divided by 2 and added with equation 3 and subtracted with equation 2. I said na, equation 2 barium chloride हटा देना पड़ता. So when you subtract it, you are going to see here, you are going to see ammonium hydroxide molar conductivity. You can see molar conductivity of equivalent conductivity is na, okay, no problem. Okay, ammonium hydroxide is equal to ionic mobility of ammonium plus and ionic mobility of OH minus. Okay, so ये बचाने के लिए you just see its respective values are given, that is 457 and 129, equation 3 and 240 is eliminated. When you do so, you are going to get 238.3. It is molar conductivity. So you have given 238.4. Muhammad Affan is given, Guru Sharan is given the correct answer. Now the question is asking about both this as well as this. आप किया है ना, and इसका equivalent conductivity. So equivalent conductivity is n factor ammonium hydroxide का 1 होगा. So that आपका जितना molar conductivity है, equivalent conductivity भी उतना ही मिलेगा. Answer will be the same. Mahi, fine. बच्चों, माही कोशिश किया, मैं आपका तरफ किया ना. This is going to be a very important. And today we discussed about what is a conductor. Okay, and you have metallic conductor and you have electrolytic conductor and you have electrolytic conductor. That conductivity we have seen. Yes. Definitely you can do it. And in this conductivity, specific conductivity and molar conductivity, equivalent conductivity and everything we discussed. Hi Arjun Sarkar, I am fine, thank you बच्चा. Okay, happy रक्षा बंधन. बच्चों और एक चीज़ है, I just want to just mention here, electrolysis बाद में discuss कर सकते हैं हम. And I want to say degree of ionization can also be calculated based on this. Degree of ionization can be calculated by using molar conductance at given concentration upon molar conductance at zero concentration. This is very important. Okay, and I'm fine, thank you beta. So this formula, so we have discussed the specific conductance, okay, and the molar conductance and the equivalent conductance and the relation between these conductances. We did it, right? Guru Sharan, हाँ आगे बताओ. अरे time is almost completed बेटा. Guru Sharan, we can have another session in the next week. We can have discussions in that. Please like this session and share with your friends and subscribe to NEET Infinity Learn channel so that you will be getting notifications for the आगे classes क्या क्या हो सकता. ठीक है बेटा. And I am done from my side. Everybody, thank you, and I am signing off. Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Everybody, Mahi and Guru Sharan, Muhammad Affan and Arjun Sarkar. Everybody who is online. Thank you. God bless you all. See you. We'll meet with more stuff in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.